students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Students, as you know that we have almost completed our maths syllabus. So students, today we will revise subject maths. This is your maths book. So students, today we will start from chapter number 2. The name of chapter is Solids around us, means shapes around us. हमारे आसपास की जो shapes हैं उनके बारे में आज हम पढ़ेंगे. So students, there are two types of shapes. Shapes जो होती हैं दो प्रकार की होती हैं. First one is solid shapes and flat shapes. First we will discuss about solid shapes. So students, please open your book page number 10. 10. Solid shapes. Students, do you know what are solid shapes? Okay, I will tell you. Solid shapes are that shapes in which objects occupy space is called solid shapes. जो objects होते हैं जो जगह घेरते हैं उनको कहते हैं हम solid shapes. For example, cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere, oval. So now we discuss from first shape, cube. This shape faces like a square. Okay students, the example of this shape is wooden box, dice and ice cubes. The shape of these examples looks like a cube. Understood? Yes. Now next is cuboid. Cuboid faces like a rectangle. Okay students, the examples of cuboid is eraser, book and brick. Brick means ink. Okay students, these examples looks like a cuboid shape. Understood? Now third shape is cylinder shape. In cylinder shape there is a top and bottom. Okay students, and two flat ends in the shape of curve, circle. So students, the example of cylinder shape is pencil, straw and dustbin. See these examples. Pencil is like a cylindrical shape. Straw is also in cylindrical shape and dustbin is also in cylindrical shapes. Okay, there are two ends, flat ends. Now, number 4. Cone. This shape is look like a triangle, but there is a little curve in the end. So, the example of cone is joker cap, conical tent and funnel. Understood? Next one is sphere. Sphere is look like a circle. Sphere. The example of sphere is football, globe and marble. Understood? And last shape of solid shape is oval. Rugby ball, watermelon and the shape of this mirror looks like a oval. Okay students? Now come to the flat shapes. Flat shapes are the basic shapes. फ्लैट शेप जो होती है वो बेसिक शेप्स होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्क्वायर, rectangle and triangle and circle. First we discuss about square. A square has 4 equal sides. Square में 4 equal sides होती हैं. This is one side, second side, third side and fourth side. The example of square is chessboard and carom board. Okay. Now part B, rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides. Opposite sides are equal. This is the shape of rectangle. Rectangle में 4 sides होती हैं, but opposite sides are equal. These opposite sides are equal and these opposite sides are equal. The example of rectangle is LED TV, blackboard, your book also is example of rectangle. Number C. A triangle has 3 sides. This is a picture of triangle. How many sides in a triangle? 3 sides. Okay students? 1, 2 and 3. Now example of this triangle is road signal. See, this is a picture of road signal. Here a man is crossing the road. And pastry. The shape of this pastry is also looks like a triangle. Part D. A circle has no side. This is a circle. The shape of circle is round. There is no side in the circle. Okay. The example of circle is bangle. Bangle means चूड़ी. चूड़ियाँ देखी हैं आपने अपनी मम्मा के हाथ में? Yes. The example of Circle is bangle, button, etc. Okay students, now we will do the exercise. Question, write two example of each shape. यहाँ पर मैंने आपको कुछ शेप्स राइट की हुई हैं, आपने इनके टू एग्जाम्पल लिखने हैं हर शेप के. क्यूब शेप में जो चीजें होती हैं, कोई भी थिंग्स, ऑब्जेक्ट्स, उनके आपने नेम राइट करने हैं. फर्स्ट क्यूब, डाइस एंड आइस क्यूब इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ क्यूब. Number 2, cuboid, eraser and book is the example of cuboid. Cylinder, candle and pencil is the example of cylinder. Number 4, cone, birthday cap and conical tent is the example of cone. Number 5 and last is sphere. The example of sphere is football and globe. So students, learn these shapes and their objects. So students, this is our second chapter which is complete, solid, around us. I hope you all understood it very well. Thank you students. Dear students, please revise what we have studied today, and on the coming Friday of this week I will conduct a small test. So revise this chapter again at your homes. Thank you. Have a nice day.